3, 2, 1.
What psychological term refers to the tendency to perceive information that confirms our existing beliefs? The answer is A, confirmation bias. Birthdays were discussed amid laughter and merriment. Which two were not on the same page? The answer is B, Ronald Reagan, Barack Obama. What elements have the highest attraction for electrons? The answer is A, nonmetals. Water plus other substances makes what? The answer is D, solution. The phases of the moon are daily changes in the appearance of the moon. One reason moon phases occur is because the moon reflects sunlight, which is another reason that the phases of the moon occur. The answer is C, the moon orbits Earth. French automobile manufacturer Citroën is not very creative. C2, C3, C4 are not interesting for us. However, one of their models bears the name of a famous painter. Which one? The answer is D, Picasso. What is the solution to the equation 3x plus 5 equals 18? The answer is C, x equals 3. What is the name of the galaxy that contains our solar system? The answer is B, Milky Way galaxy. What is the Matterhorn a part of? The answer is C, Alps. In what U.S. state was magician David Copperfield born? The answer is B, New Jersey. Which U.S. president attempted to purchase Cuba from Spain? The answer is B, Pierce. What has many channels but can't change the tune? The answer is B, TV show. Which form of travel causes the most pollution? The answer is C, driving. What percentage of a circle's perimeter is an arc that subtends an angle of 90 degrees at the center? The answer is B, 50%. El-Malik Khalais, a rock sanctuary built in Byzantine style, dates back to the Komnenon period and is located in which district? The answer is C, Cappadocia. Binding of acetylcholine to receptors on the muscle fiber leads to A. The answer is A, depolarization. What is the name of Odysseus' loyal dog in Homer's Odyssey? The answer is A, Argos. Which band has a yellow submarine as part of their logo? The answer is B, the Beatles. Who wrote the famous song Bohemian Rhapsody? The answer is A, Queen. What is Nathan's jersey number? The answer is A. 23. Which instrument is associated with Arabic and Middle Eastern music? The answer is A. Oud. Who played the role of Hannibal Lecter in Silence of the Lambs? The answer is A. Anthony Hopkins. Which game features an island full of Pokémon to catch? The answer is A. Animal Crossing. Which tree grows the tallest? The answer is A. Redwood. Which gas makes up the largest percentage of Earth's atmosphere? The answer is B. Nitrogen. What is the official language of Canada? The answer is C. French. What Portuguese town inspired Lord Byron to write The Wanderings of Childe Harold? The answer is A. Sintra. Whose autobiography was titled An Autobiography or My Experiments with Truth? The answer is D. Mohandas Gandhi. What is the base of nearly all food chains on Earth? The answer is A. Photosynthesis. Which fruit is not a member of the rose family? The answer is C. Raspberry. What do students use for drawing straight lines? The answer is D. Ruler. What has leaves that are never turned? The answer is D. Broccoli. Who actually built Monticello, the estate of Thomas Jefferson? The answer is C. Jefferson's slaves. Who scored the most goals in a single World Cup tournament? The answer is A. Gerd Muller. In which work does Holden Caulfield have a mental breakdown? The answer is A. The Catcher in the Rye. A substance too big to be pumped across the cell membrane may enter or leave the cell by what method? The answer is B. Vesicle transport. Evan is performing an investigation. Before conducting his investigation, what must Evan do? The answer is B. Develop a hypothesis. What is the subject of the first book of the Talmud? The answer is A. Blessings. In Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince, who was bitten by the werewolf Fenrir Greyback? The answer is C. Bill. Which of these events is believed to have been instigated by Catherine de Medici, who was queen consort of King Henry Roman II of France from 1547 to 1559? The answer is B. St. Bartholomew's Day Massacre. Which of these languages is not spoken in Bolivia? The answer is D. All these languages are spoken in Bolivia. What is the oldest known written law code? The answer is A. Code of Hammurabi. What is the highest level your character can go up to in the RuneScape game for non-members? The answer is C. 126. What is the farthest known object in our solar system? The answer is A. Oort cloud. All elements are most stable when their outermost shell is filled with electrons according to which rule? The answer is D. Octet rule. What is the name given to a black German rye bread? The answer is C. Pumpernickel. Which of these are parts of the geologic process that changes metamorphic rock into sedimentary rock? The answer is D. Erosion and deposition. Known for the apple of discord, who am I? The answer is C. Eris. What does a boxer wear to protect his hands? The answer is C. Glove. Respiratory therapists or respiratory practitioners evaluate and treat patients' diseases affecting what part of the body?